Good morning, students. Now we come to the second part, that is the journal entries. Let us take an example that 10,000 shares has been issued for rupees 10 each. That means the public has offered for 10,000 shares of rupees 10 each, payable as 2 on application, 3 on allotment, 1 on first call and 4 on final call. Actually, few years back, this 10 rupees, the whole amount of the shares was called in installments. So then this is the segregation, that is 2 rupees will be called on application, 3 on allotment, 1 on first call and 4 on final call. You can have as many calls as required. So in this case, now the company doesn't know how many shares people are going to apply for, though they have offered 10,000, but it can be more than 10,000, it can be less than 10,000. So the first entry will be bank to share application, and the amount will be the number of applications received into 2. For example, if we have received 12,000 applications, so the amount will be 12,000 into 2, that is 24,000. Though we have received 12,000 applications, but we can only issue 10,000. So being the application money received. The second entry will be that this amount, share application amount, will be transferred to share capital. So the entry will be share application account to share capital to bank. Now we are going to give 10,000 shares will get the 10,000 applications will get the shares, and 2,000 applicants will be refunded. Their money will be refunded. So 12,000 into 2, that is 24,000. In share capital, 10,000 shares into 2, that is 20,000, and in bank 2,000 into 2, that is 4,000. Now comes your allotment, 3 rupees. Now till this entry, first we had done the entry of bank because we were not sure of how many applications we are going to receive, and then we have transferred it. Now we know that we have 10,000 shareholders, so now we are going to call the allotment money. So how much amount will we call? 10,000 into 3. So the allotment will be made due, that is the application will be sent to them that kindly pay your allotment money. So the journal entry will be share allotment account debit to share capital, that is 10,000 into 3. Now when the money will come, when the shareholders will pay the money after 14 days, 15 days, whatever time period we have allotted, so the journal entry will be bank account debit to share allotment account, being the allotment money received, 10,000 into 3 if all the amount has been received. Then comes your first call. Same, the first call will be made due and then the money will be received. So share first call to share capital, that is 10,000 into 1. Now when we receive the money, we notice that there is one shareholder, Mayank, holding 500 shares. He did not pay the first call and the second call. So how much amount he didn't pay? 500 into 1, that is 500 rupees he didn't pay as first call. So this amount is calls in arrears. As I told you in the last video, this is calls in arrears. So now the entry will be bank account debit, calls in arrears debit to share first call. So 10,000 will come over here, 9,500, and 500 will be calls in arrears. Similarly, final call, 10,000 into 4, we'll make it due, that is final call to share capital, 10,000 into 4, and then bank account debit, calls in arrears to share final call. The calls in arrears was 2,000, so we've taken this. So if you see, just except for your application, in rest of all the cases, that is allotment, first call and final call, first the due entry, then the receiving entry. It's only in the application that first receiving entry and then the due entry comes. And for the due entry, the amount which we transfer to share capital is this 10,000 into 2, 10,000 into 3, 10,000 into 1, 10,000 into 4. And students, in case if we have premium, for example, if it is issued at premium, and premium by default it is taken on allotment if not given anything in the question, if not mentioned in the question. So this premium is going to come in this due entry, that is security premium reserve. So this will be 10,000 into 5, share capital 10,000 into 3, and security premium 10,000 into 2. This is 3 plus 2. So in total we'll call for 12 rupees, and in share allotment we'll call for 5. So 10,000 into 5, 10,000 into 3, 10,000 into